Okay, here's how you report a player in Roblox. So in 2024, what we want to do is just open up any game. I have this game open for some reason, so just open up any game like I said, and here we can just press on the Roblox icon, or we can, just press escape and find the person that we want to report. Now find the person that you want to report and just click on this little flag here, and then we can either report the person itself or the entire experience, but I'm going to report the person. So type of abuse here, we will do either text chat or avatar. I will leave it as text chat, and here we can choose the people or person that has that we want to report. And the reason for the abuse here, you can choose the reason why you are reporting them. So personal question, inappropriate username, bullying, swearing. So if we do bullying, here we'll have to type in our words what they did to us. So we'll do they called me a doo-doo head, like so. And if you click on submit, that is going to report the person. Now obviously I'm not going to report this person because I don't even know them, but that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.